Oh my god. This is beautiful.
Good morning, Cruise Life, and we are leaving the hotel. It is cruise day, baby. We are in Miami, and we have an iconic day planned. Stay tuned.
Icon, right?
Yep.
Have a nice one.
All right, thank you. Today is an amazing day because we are here in Miami. We've waited almost 2 years for this, and today is cruise day. It is an iconic day. It is Icon of the Seas, Cruise Life.
How you doing?
Good.
We'll take your luggage from here to the cabin, my friend. Did you receive a VIP service to the top? Oh my God. Ma'am? This is yours, right there?
Yeah.
That belongs to her?
Yeah.
Have a great time. Thank you. Appreciate you guys.
Here we go. Thank you.
Welcome aboard to Icon of the Seas. Welcome. Yes. Welcome aboard, guys. Welcome aboard.
In our excitement boarding Icon of the Seas for the first time, we completely forgot to record our initial reactions. I think we were just shocked and overwhelmed by walking onto the Royal Promenade for the first time. It is truly amazing. What an amazing view walking out for the first time. So let's head to our cabin. The cabins are open because nobody stayed in them last night. Remember that sculpture. That way you know where you're at. Wow, look at the hats. Oh my God. Oh.
So cute.
First impression's pretty nice.
Pretty nice.
Pretty nice. Definitely, it's like tropical. It's like tropical. Yeah, that's a
Bottle of wine.
Yeah, that's our gift.
Cool.
We get a bottle of wine as a gift.
And tons of water.
Tons of water. Yeah, there's our free water and then the water we bought. So check it out. Icon ready.
Icon ready.
Here's a quick walkthrough of our balcony cabin, along with the infinite balcony area, and also a look at the brand new configuration of the new Royal Caribbean shower. Be sure to check out our full review and tour of this cabin. The link is in the description below. All right, now that we have gotten situated in the cabin, at least a little bit, we're gonna run and try and make some dinner reservations, take advantage of our Diamond Plus buy one, get one free specialty dining. So that's the only specialty dining we have potentially planned for this cruise. We didn't do a dining package or anything like that. So most of our dining is going to be in the main dining room, and we'll check that out. But let's venture down to Central Park and see if we can get dinner reservations. We weren't able to do it before, or at least it said Chops was all sold out. But I was able to get a reservation for the Aqua show. So we've got all 3 shows booked. Definitely do that either before the cruise or as soon as you get on. Wow, these hallways they feel wider. Don't they feel wider?
They do.
Here's our little secret access.
Beautiful orchids. Look at the one that's in the tree. Yep. Look at those ones. Spider plants. Pretty.
Wow, I am really digging this Central Park. It is a noticeable improvement in terms of the feel, for sure. It just feels more upscale.
I have availability at 5:15 earlier, and then we do have 8 o'clock, 8:15, 8:30, 8:45, and 9 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
Oh wow. But that's new.
What's that?
Stairs down to the Pearl Cafe. All right, dinner reservations are done. Man, just as we plane overhead, of course. All right, dinner reservations are done. We have worked up an appetite, so it is time to stop at the Park Cafe.
Here.
All right, we got some grab-and-go sandwiches. Look at that, fresh fruit.
Yum.
That looks good.
I want some pineapple. Did we just grab it?
Yeah, you just grab it. Turkey. Cookies. Hello. And it all looks so good. Oh, and then you have the roast beef.
Hello.
I'll do a roast beef sandwich. I'll do a sandwich. Thank you. All right, that was some much needed fuel at Park Cafe after getting on board the ship, which actually went very quickly and was super fast. So we're gonna head back to the cabin and check and see if our bags are ready to be unpacked. So before we forget, it is time to do our mandatory safety briefing. We are down on deck 5 in the main dining room, so we're gonna head down there and get it over with and be done, and we'll be ready for cruise life. No buttons to press. It's kind of weird getting it on there, not pressing buttons, but you know. Hello.
All good. Right, in case of emergency, this is your master station. Number 5, F4. All good. And thank you for watching the safety video.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, looks like our bags are here.
The bags are here.
She's all yours.
Every time I say I'm gonna pack less, I never do.
Big Bertha.
Shit.
We are officially unpacked now, got everything kind of situated the way we want. After unpacking, we headed upstairs to check out this ship, and we actually were able to get into the Grove, the new suite area. After walking up to deck 18, we were able to get access into the Grove area. This is the suite only area and is something that is new with the restaurant. So be sure to check out our full ship tour for more information on the Grove. Technically, we weren't allowed to be in this area because you do have to be in a grand suite and above in order to get access to the Grove, but it was cool to walk around and check out and get views of the lower decks. We are up here in the Aqua Dome checking it out. What a awesome new space. What do you think, baby?
It's pretty cool. It's really open and it's just a nice bar and a lot of seating areas, and it's really very friendly.
Like wide
atmosphere.
open. There's a cool bar up here. So
Yeah.
this would be a cool spot. Like I think at all times of day. After walking around, we worked up quite an appetite. So we headed over to the Aqua Dome Marketplace. This is a brand new venue, never seen before on Royal Caribbean ships. What's cool about it is there's a variety of different food options, and it's kind of like a food market. So in this case, we went with the Greek food. I couldn't pass that up. After our quick snack, we headed down to the Pearl Cafe so that I could pick up my pre-purchased on cruise planner coffee card. Oh yeah, look at all the balloons for the balloon drop tonight. Alright, I am here at the Pearl Cafe. So one of the things I like to do is get a coffee card, and the Pearl Cafe is the only spot to do that. Enjoying a little snack at the Pearl Cafe.
So we're sitting here in, what is this place? Boleros, the new Boleros, and it's got a really nice vibe in here. Really nice color scheme. I love the yellows and the greens. It makes it really sort of outdoorsy. It's really pretty. All right, we're getting ready to go to the fireworks show at the Sailaway for Icon of the Seas, and it should be pretty exciting. It's a glorious day.
Well, that is the end of the first half of our first day on Icon of the Seas. Be sure to check out the second half as we continue to explore the ship, experience the most epic sail away out of the port of Miami. We witnessed one of the worst opening nights ever, and end the night with a midnight balloon drop. Cruise life.